And we are live. Who's going to be first to join? Who's going to be first to join? Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Hello, guys. Hello, hello. Hello, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Hello, welcome, user. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Oh, thanks so much already for the gifts, user. Thanks so much for all the gifts. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Thank you so much, user, for the roses. Okay. Welcome, welcome, guys. Afternoon, afternoon. Hope everyone's well. Hello, unknown user. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Sorry about my voice, guys. I've got a bit like a sore throat today. I apologize. Okay. Hello, Tiffany. Welcome, welcome. Nice to have you on the call. Hello, guys. Afternoon, guys. Afternoon. Welcome, welcome. Guys, the plan for today. So last time we started this paper, but we didn't actually quite finish it. Okay. Yeah, I actually got yeah, I had to cut like the live actually a bit earlier, okay, because I had like other commitments. Okay, so we're gonna restart the GCSE AQA foundation tier, okay, paper one, non-calculator, okay, white rose maths, okay, exam paper, okay. Hello, okay, welcome, welcome. Guys, if you're new around here, make sure you give us a follow, guys. Okay, thank you for liking, Tiffany. Thank you, user, for liking. Okay, make sure you tap in the screen, guys, sharing the live out, okay, doing all that good stuff. Okay, and we'll make a start in, in the next few minutes. Okay, so the plan today, yeah, is just doing AQA foundation tier paper. Okay, Amanda, welcome, welcome. Hello, Dubs, welcome, welcome. Thank you, Tiffany, for liking. Thank you so much, user, for liking. Thank you, user, for liking. Hello, Charlotte. Hello, Kalias. Hello, Deborah. Welcome, welcome. Hello, D. Welcome, welcome. Nice to be in the call. Thank you so much, Tiffany, for liking. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Hello, N. Love all. Thanks so much, Tiffany, for liking. Hey, can I do edit social? I can do, yes. Hey, can we get started? Yes, we can. Okay. This is the foundation tier paper. Okay. If you're doing higher, this will still be relevant for you. Okay. Particularly those last few questions. Okay. Hello, RA. Welcome, welcome. Hello, P5E. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you for liking. Okay. Hello, Katie Ann. Welcome, welcome. Okay. We'll start, guys, when we hit 1K lives. Okay. Yeah. So make sure you're tapping, guys. Okay. Sharing the live out, all that good stuff. Okay, any gifts you are more than obviously welcome. Okay. Obviously, I've set a target of 100 roses. Okay. But there's no need yet to go crazy about it. Okay. But any gifts are welcome. Okay. Right, guys, we shall make a start in just a sec. Okay. I'll give you a minute or so. Yeah. Just obviously print it out if you need to print it out. Okay. We did start this last time. Okay. So we'll just start again. Okay. Able to send me the exam spec for foundation. And I can do yes, and at some point, yes, I'll try to do that. Yes. Um, if you just type in Google, yeah, if you type in Google, AQA GCSE foundation to your exam spec, okay, then it should actually come up actually on there, okay, or AQA or edit, or yeah, like exam, okay. So on the exam board website, they have the specification for all the topics. Okay, thank you so much, Shiraz, for the follow. Thanks so much for the follow. You guys, if you're new around here, make sure you press that follow button. Okay, my target, if I can, it's quite ambitious. It's trying to hit 10K. Okay, so let's start, guys. Okay, thank you for 1K likes. Right, so question one, guys. Okay, so I'll zoom in a bit. Okay, so the first three questions are on the screen. Okay, so looking at a foundation tier, okay, non-calculated paper. Okay, this is still relevant. Okay, if you're doing higher tier as well. Okay, so we will make a start. Okay, I'll give you a minute or so to answer the first few questions, okay, and then we'll share some answers when we're ready. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for the likes. Thank you for the follows. Okay, thank you so much for all the support already. Okay, I would love, yeah. So my target on a typical live, I would love to try and hit 50K likes, yeah, in this live actually. That would be an absolute dream. Okay, so make sure we're tapping, okay, sharing, all that good stuff. Okay, but thank you for any gifts, guys. Thanks so much for any gifts. Okay, I'll give you another minute or so, okay, just to answer these first two questions, and then we'll share some answers for the first few questions. Okay, sorry, I'm went down a bit there. Okay. For anyone doing higher, this will still be relevant for you. Okay, thanks so much for the follow. But yes, and I'll send you the exam spec here after this live here when I get to. Hello, Dylan. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Reesh. Hello, Sarah. Welcome, welcome. So, sorry about my voice today. I apologize. I've got a bit of a sore throat, but we're here going to get it done, okay? Hard work never stops, okay? Hello, British Liberty. Welcome, sir. Welcome, my friend. Nice to have you on the call again. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Right, guys, type ready in the chat when you're ready for me to go through the answers, and we'll go through it, okay? So, type ready or yes in the chat when you're ready. We've got 8 people in the chat. Okay, this is awesome, guys. Awesome, awesome. Can you send me this as well? I'll try to, yeah, if I can. Okay, okay. Dylan says yes. This is foundation. Yes, it's foundation. Okay. Thank you so much, British Super for liking. Okay, question number 1. Circle the even number. So an even number ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6, and an 8. Okay, and an odd number, okay, conversely ends in a 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Right, so an even number would be 132, okay? Because all the other numbers end in a 1, 3, and a 5, which make them odd, okay? No worries, no worries, okay? No worries. Okay. Question number 2. Circle the decimal that is equivalent to 3/5, okay? So 3/5 as a decimal, okay? One way of doing it, okay, is to change the fraction in terms of tenths. So times top and bottom of the fraction by 2, okay? So well done, Snap. Yep, spot on. Okay, yep. So 3 times 2 is going to be 6. I get 6/10. Now, 6/10 means 6 divided by 10. Okay, so 6 divided by 10 will give us 0.6. Okay, and that's my answer. Question number 2. Okay, on to number 3, guys. Okay, so next one. Circle the value of 30 squared. So 30 squared means 30 times 30. Okay, so 30 times 30. So do 3 times 3 and then add on your 2 zeros. Okay, so 3 threes are 9. Okay, and then add on your 2 zeros. You're going to get the answer of 900. Okay, so 900. Okay, that's my answer. Question number 3. Okay, so moving on, guys. Okay, moving on. Right, question number 4. Okay, so circle the name of the straight line on the circle. So knowing our key terms. So anyone know what this is called, guys, in the chat? So it's a line from the center. Well done, Snap. Yet, well done. Okay, spot on. Okay, to answer that question here about how many marks for grade 4, that really actually fluctuates. Okay, if you go on a website called MathSpot, okay, so MathSpot has all the grade boundaries for the past number of years, okay, and that will give you more information about what the grade boundaries are and how many marks you need, okay. Thank you all for the follow. Thanks so much, Will, for the follow. Okay, but guys, I'll give you just a few seconds to screenshot that if you want to screenshot it. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much, Will, for the follow. Thanks so much, Will, for the follow. Okay, on to the next question. So our first worded question already. Okay, hello, my friend, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Okay, the question number 5. Okay, it says in a game there are cards that show either odd or even numbers. 1/5 of the cards show odd numbers. Okay, there are 120 cards that show even numbers. Work out the total number of cards in the game. Well, we know that 1/5 are odd, therefore the number of even will be 4/5. Okay, thank you so much, Harry, for the follow. Thanks so much, Harry, for the follow. Okay, so 4/5 are even because the number of odd cards plus the number of even cards has to equal a total of 1. Now, 1 in this case represents 120. Sorry, 4/5, sorry, represents 120, not 1. Okay, so 4/5 represents 120. Thanks so much, fans, for the follow. Thanks so much, fans, for the follow. Okay, so to work out 5/5, I'm going to divide it by 4. So 1/5. Okay, so dividing this by 4, well, 12 divided by 4 is going to be 3, and then add on the 0, I'm going to get 30. Okay, so to work out 5/5, which is 1 whole, we're going to multiply 30 by 5. The 30 times 5 is 150. Okay, so my answer is 150. Hello, Sharky, welcome, welcome. Hello, God favorite, welcome, welcome. Thank you, AJ, for the follow. Thanks so much, AJ, for the follow. Okay, 150. Okay, thank you for all the likes, guys. Thank you so much for all the likes. Thank you, Sharky, for liking. 150. Okay, in there. Okay. Oops, sorry, look, I think my screen's gone. 150. That's my answer for that question. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Are we happy with that? Okay, let's move on. Okay, question number 6. So simplifying ratios. Thank you so much, AJ, for the follow. Thanks so much, AJ, for the follow. Okay, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. So write the ratio 9 to 6 in its simplest form. Okay, this is all to do with knowing your highest common factor or factors. So the highest common factor of 9 and 6 is going to be 3. So divide this by 3 and divide this by 3. Okay, so in the chat, guys, what is 9 divided by 3? Hello, Amber, welcome, welcome. So what is 9 divided by 3? Hello, Tom, welcome, welcome. 3, yep, well done, Franz. Yep, spot on. And then what's 6 divided by 3? Yep, spot on. Well done, Franz. Yep, spot on. So my final answer is 3 to 2. Okay, and I cannot simplify that any further because there are no common factors between 3 and 2 other than 1, and dividing by 1 does not change my answer. Okay, right, guys, a few seconds to screenshot that. Thanks so much, Antonio, for the share. Thanks so much, Antonio, for the share. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, moving on pretty quickly today, guys. Okay, sorry if it's a bit fast. Okay, question number 7. Okay, take all the statements, okay, that apply to a rhombus. So a rhombus is a tilted square. Okay, it's a tilted square. Okay, so all four side length. Mr. Brophy, this is you. No, it's not me, actually, Antonio. No, it's not me. Mr. Jalan, not me, I'm afraid. Is this foundation? Yes, it's foundation, yes. Okay, so all four sides are equal in length. Well, that is true because yeah, it's a tilted square. The sum of the interior angles is 180. Well, that's not true because angles in a quadrilateral add to make 360. It is actually foundation. It is foundation paper. Foundation. Thank you, user, for applying. Yeah, thank you for applying. Okay, it has a rotational symmetry of order 4. Well, that is right, yep, because it's a four-sided shape and it has exactly two pairs of parallel sides. Well, that is also true. Okay, thank you, R4Z underscore 78 for liking. Thanks so much for liking. Oh, almost 2.5K likes for this year. We've only begun this year for a few minutes, but this is awesome. Okay, right, guys, next question. Okay, question number 8. A bag contains red and blue counters. 78% of the counters are red. Okay, what percentage of the counters are blue? Well, percentage is out of 100 because it adds up to make 100. It'll be 100%. Subtract 72%. Yep, 78%. Sorry. Well done, Antonio. Yep, spot on, Antonio. Okay. And that answer will give us 22%. Okay, spot on. Well done. Okay. Well done, Franz. Yep, spot on. Okay, well done. Well done. Okay. Part B. Ewan buys 25 sweets from a shop. He eats 7 sweets. What percentage of sweets did Ewan eat? Well, he ate 7/25. Now, to go from a fraction to a percentage, we multiply it by 100. Okay, a fraction by 100. Okay, so if I do 100 divided by 25, that'll give me 4. 4 times 7 is going to be 28. The answer will be 28%. Okay. Again, if you're unsure, okay, you can write it over 1, okay, multiply fractions, okay, so you get 700 over 25, okay, pardon me, sorry, and then using the bust up method or long division, okay, you would get your answer of 28. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Are there any questions? Hello, Luca, welcome, welcome. Abby, welcome, welcome. Hello, Shannon. Okay, awesome, awesome. Right, give you a few seconds to screenshot that. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, hello, Louis. Welcome, welcome, Louis. Okay, moving on now. Okay, next question. Okay, so let's zoom in a bit. Question number 9. So looking at some probability here. A game is played by choosing a tile randomly from a pile. The tiles are either blue, green, or red. The probability that the tile is blue is 0.2. The probability that the tile is green is 0.35. What is the probability that the tile is red? Okay, so what do probabilities always add up to, guys? Hello, Jasmine. Welcome, welcome. So what do probabilities always add up to, guys? Do you know what? Guys, if you're new around there, make sure you give us a follow. Okay, well done, Frank. Yep, spot on. Okay, so to work out the probability of red, okay, so probability of red, okay, is going to be 1 take away 0.2 or 0.25. Okay, no worries, Antonio. Thank you. More than 0.00. Yep. Okay. 0.2, okay, plus 0.35. 0.2 plus 0.35 is 0.55. We have 1 subtract 0.55. Sorry about my handwriting, guys. I apologize about my handwriting. Okay. So that will give me 0.45. Okay. So probabilities must always add up to make 1. Okay. So that's my answer for that question. Okay. Right, next question. So looking at some like real world problems. Okay. No worries. Okay. Am I going too fast, guys, or are you keeping up? Sorry. Am I going too fast? Let me know in the chat, guys. Stop me at all, yeah, if I'm going a bit too fast. Okay, awesome, awesome. Question number 10. The cost of some items in a cafe are shown below. Rosie uses a £20 note to pay for 2 coffees, 1 red and 3 pastries. Sorry, 1 tea, sorry, 1 tea. Okay, the basis. How much change should she get? Well, 2 coffees, so that'll be 2 times 3, so that'll be £6. Okay, 1 tea, so that'll be £2.50. And then 3 lots of £2.80. Hello, Becky, welcome, welcome. Hello, T. Thank you so much, T, for the follow. Thank you so much for the follow, T. Okay, so 3, oops. My keypad is not on my side, and I apologize. So 3 lots of £2.80. Amelia, welcome, welcome. Nice to have you on the call. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so let's double check, Antonio. So let's double check. Okay, the V times 0 is going to be 0. 8 times 3 is going to be 24. So 4, carry the 2. Decimal point goes there. 2 times 3 is going to be 6. Plus the 2 is going to be 8. It's going to be £8.40. We're going to add on £8.40. Okay, and let's double check, Antonio. Let's double check. Okay, okay. So 0 is going to be 0. Okay, 0 plus 5 is going to be 5. Plus 4 is going to be 9. I have 9 there. Okay, decimal point lines up. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 8 is going to be 16. So £16.90 is how much she paid. We'll now do £20. Take away £16.90. Again, please show your full working, okay, in your exam. Okay. Sorry about my handwriting, guys. I'm so sorry about my handwriting today. It's a bit all over the place. Okay. When we find 0 to 0 is going to be 0. 0 to take 9, I can't do so I need to borrow. Make that a 1, make that a 9. So make that a 10, sorry. So off again, actually, make that a 9, make it a 1. 10 take 9 is going to be 1. Decimal point goes there. 9 take 6 is going to be 3. And then 1 take 1 is going to be 0, okay? So yes, Antonio, yep, spot on, Antonio, yep, £3.10. Okay, that's my answer for that question, okay? Does that make sense, guys? Let me know. Okay, again, if you're taking the screenshot, hello, Cal, welcome, welcome. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, moving on, guys. Afia, welcome, welcome. Okay, so now looking at some place value work. Okay, again, super common topic here, especially for our foundation tier paper. Okay, question number 11. Yes, it's foundation, yeah, it is. Hello, Kai, welcome, welcome, Kai. Okay, so we are given that 86 times 39 is 3,254. Use the fact to work out the calculation, part A. So 86 times 3.9, well, my answer will be 10 times smaller, to be 335.4. Okay, 335.4. Okay, the reason for that is because I've divided this by 10. Okay, therefore I must divide the answer by 10. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's my answer for that. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Let me know. Does that make sense? No, what about we? Welcome, welcome. Right, moving on then. Okay, part B. Keep multiplying decimals to 0.86 times 0.39. Okay, again, use our factory. Hello, Adam 20. Welcome, welcome, my friend. Okay, so we divided this by 100 to get to here. Divided this by 100. So therefore, we're going to divide our final answer by 100 squared. So i.e., we're going to divide this number, okay, by 10,000. Why divided by 10 actually? Because, sorry, give me 1 second. Sorry, give me 1 second. Okay, so for part A, we divided our answer by 10 because to go from 39 to 3.9, we divided that by 10. Okay, now to keep this sum in check, I must divide the right hand side by 10. Okay, so I get the same answer. Okay, so 86 times 3.9 is 335.4. Okay, okay, does that make sense, Afia? Okay, so back to part B. Okay, So decimal points here. So move it 4 places to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4 places. Okay. So the answer would be 0.3354. Okay. And again, the reason we divided it by 10,000 is because to go from 86, your voice is breaking much. I can't hear you clearly. Oh, is it not working? Can you hear me now? Hello, Sid. Welcome, Sid. Oh, okay. Guys, can you hear me, guys? Is it clear? So Afia can't hear me. Okay. Let me know, guys. It's not clear. Okay. Do you want to close the app, Afia, and then come back here? Because I'm testing it on here, and like I can hear myself actually quite well. I have got a bit of like a sore throat today, so I apologise. Hello, Ronnie. Welcome. F70 is fine. Okay, guys, let me know. Can you hear me, guys? Is it clear? Can you hear me? Yeah. We can hear you, but it cuts out a little. Ah, okay. Right. Okay. This is AQA, my friend. This is AQA Foundation. Okay. So let's move on, guys. Okay, yeah. So let's move on to part C. Okay. So we've got a decimal. Okay, divided by 86. Okay, so going back to the top. Okay. Let's zoom out for a second and go up. Okay. So 86. Okay, so this number divided by this number gives us this number. Okay. Now we're doing 33.54 divided by 86. So I need to multiply. I need to actually divide this number, my answer, by 100. So it'd be 39 divided by 100. Okay, which is 0.39. Oops. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Are we happy with that? Okay, question 12, guys, in the chat then. Okay, let me know. Okay, awesome, Asma, welcome. Okay, awesome. Okay, let me know in the chat, guys. Circle the length that is equivalent to 1.03 meters. Okay, so think of your conversions. Okay, hello, Vicky, welcome. Yep, spot on. Okay, well done, Asma. Yes, spot on. Okay, so from meters to centimeters, we multiply by 100. The decimal point moves 2 to the right. The answer would be 103 centimeters. Okay, that's because 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So to go from meters to centimeters, we multiply by 100. Okay, So does that make sense, guys? Okay, so 10 seconds. The screenshot. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, moving on now. Okay, question number 3. Okay, so this one's quite a nasty question. Okay, right. So it says the diagram shows 3 congruent rectangles. Okay, so congruent means same size shaped rectangles. Okay, it says the total length of the diagram is 18 centimeters. Okay, work out the area of one of those rectangles. Okay, so we know that the length plus the width, okay, the length plus the width. Thank you so much, fans, for liking. Thanks so much, fans, for liking. The length plus width is equal to 18. We also know that the area of a rectangle, okay, so the area of a rectangle, okay, is length times width, okay? So length times width, okay? Now, what do we know? Well, the length, okay, that will be 18, okay, minus W, okay? So if I rearrange this, okay, the length is 18 minus W. Are we happy with that? So we're looking for the factors of 18. Okay, so factors of 18. So what are my factors of 18? Well, there'll be 1 and 18, okay, 2 and 9, okay, 3 and 6. Okay, are we happy with this so far? Okay, so what would my next step be, guys? Anybody know what would my next step be? Okay, this is quite a tricky issue. It's a tricky question, this one. Okay, we also know that the width, okay, is 18 minus L. Okay, so the area of one rectangle, okay, is length times width. Okay, so the area of one would be W brackets 18 minus W. Okay, that would be the area of one rectangle. Okay, so Tyloon says 84. Okay, let's just double check. Okay, so we want, yes, yeah. So it's a bit of, what we call actually trial and error here. Okay, so we want the length plus the width to make 18. So if we do, okay, 6 plus 12, okay, that will give me 18. So the length times the width, we do 6 times 12, which is be careful, actually, Thailand, be careful, okay, is 72, okay, centimeters squared, okay, 72 centimeters squared, okay. Does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Hello, Bouge Boutique, welcome. Hello. Nice to be on the call. Guys, thank you so much for 3K likes, guys. Yeah, thank you so much for 3K likes. Hey, can we get to 10,000 likes, okay, in this live, okay? Can we try and get to 10,000 likes, okay? That is also my target today. Okay, so tap the screen, guys. Okay, awesome. Fran says yes, okay. Right, so let's move on now, okay? So Next question here, sharing in a given ratio. So question 14. So Dexter and Kim share £840 in the ratio of 5 to 7. How much money does Dexter receive? Well, Dexter receives 5/12, okay, of the total, okay, which is going to be 840, okay. So he receives 5/12 of 840, okay. The 12 has come from the 5 plus 7. Okay, thank you so much, Shashi. Thank you, fans, for liking. Thanks so much, fans, for liking. Guys, anyone that's new around here, make sure you give us a follow, please. Okay, I'll give you a second to just obviously work it out here using bus stop method. Okay, so we'll do 840 divided by 12 and then times it by 5. Okay, what answer do we get in the chat? Hello, Paige, Amy, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. I hope you're well. Hello, N, welcome, welcome. So a fraction of an amount, we divide by the bottom and then times by the top. Okay. Hello, Sophie. Welcome, welcome, Sophie. Hello, hello. Okay. Let me know, guys, when you get an answer. Let me know. Okay. So type in ready when you're ready. Okay, for me to go through. So page said 350. Okay, so let's double check. Okay, so let's double check Page's answer. Okay, anyone else got an answer? Or is it just Page answering? Okay. Okay, guys, so sharing the answer. Okay, so a fraction of an amount, we divide by the bottom and then times by the top. So 84 divided by 12 is going to be 7. Okay, and on the 0 here is going to be 70. We're going to have 5 lots of 70. Okay, which indeed is £350. So Dexter receives £350. Okay, so we did 84 divided by 12, okay, which is 7, and then added on the 0, which made it 70, and then times it by 5. 7 times 5 is going to be 35, and then add on the 0, and I get 350. Okay, so well done, Paige. Good work, Paige. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Okay, I'll give you just 10 seconds to screenshot. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, moving on now. So well done, guys. Yeah, good work so far today. Okay, question 15 this year. So it's now starting to approach the higher tier questions. Okay, so these questions, yeah, I would also say are now higher tier topics as well. Okay, hello, welcome, welcome, guys. Hello, 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 leavers. Welcome, welcome. Question 15, guys. Okay, so we've got the vector A, which is minus 3, 7, and B is 0, 9. Work out the column vector 2A plus B. Okay, thanks so much, R, for liking. Thank you, R, for liking. So I'm going to have 2 lots of the vector minus 3, 7. Because my handwriting today is appalling. I'm so sorry about my handwriting today. I'm so sorry about my handwriting. It's appalling today. Okay, plus the vector 0, 9. Okay, so expanding the vector bracket. Hello, Max. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so 2 times minus b, so that'll be minus 6. Yep, well done, Talan. Yep, spot on, Talan. Yep. So minus 6, and then we're going to have 14 there. Okay, plus 0, 9. Okay. So now when I add vectors, I add my top components and my bottom components separately. Okay. So minus 6 plus 0 is going to be minus 6. And then 14 plus 9 is 23. Okay. So well done, Tanya. Well done, Talent, for getting that in the chat. Fantastic work. Okay. Spot on. Okay. Thank you so much, Nimat, for liking. Yeah, welcome, Nimat. Yeah, welcome, welcome. Welcome, Nimat. Yeah, that's him in the call. Thank you for joining. Okay, next question. So drawing a vector, to draw the vector 2, 5 on the grid. Okay, so we go across 2. Okay, so remember, yeah, vector is my x component and my y component. Okay, so we go 2 across, then 5 up. Okay, so 2 across, and then 5 up. Okay, again, using a ruler here. Okay, let's make it a bit more thicker. Okay, so it looks something like that. Okay, that is my answer. Okay, for that question. Okay, so does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Let me know. Okay, I'll give you a few seconds to screenshot that. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so let's move on now. Okay, to the next question. Hello, Maths Focus Tutor. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Okay, next one. Okay, so an area of a 2D shape, and then looking at some costs. Okay, so question 16, guys. Okay, question 16. Okay, so the area of a parallelogram, okay, is 24 centimeters. Hello, Ice King. Welcome, welcome. Circle the height of the parallelogram. Okay, so the area, guys, of a parallelogram, guys, yeah, is the base times the perpendicular height. Okay, so it's the base times the perpendicular height. Okay, so the perpendicular height. Hello, Emily. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Okay, so does that make sense, guys, so far? Okay, so I'm going to do 6 times h, okay, which will be 6h. So that's a bit too thick. And I have 6h. Oops. So 6. Oh, sorry, guys. Why is my keypad so bad today? I'm so sorry. Why is my keypad so bad today? And I have 6h. Hello, R. Welcome, welcome, R. So 6h equals 24. So in the chat, guys, what would h be? What would h be? So 6 times what is 24? Hello, 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 hello again, Franz. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Hello, Natasha. Welcome, welcome. So 6 times what is 24, guys? Let me know. We've all gone a bit quiet all of a sudden. Hello, 7Ms. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, well done, Franz. Yep, spot on. Okay, so h is equal to 4. Okay, well done. Yep, the life of Taz. Welcome. Well, yep, well done. Yep. Okay, so the answer is 4. Okay, so we circle that option there. Okay, okay. Right, next question. Okay, moving on swiftly. A box of pencils cost £3.24. Work out the total cost of 16 pencils. Okay, we'll do £3.24 multiplied by 16. Okay, so let's work it out. Yeah, taking our time with this. Okay, 6 times 4 is going to be 24. So 4, carry the 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus the 2 is going to be 14. So 4, carry the 1. 6 times 1 is going to be 18. Plus 1 is going to be 19. So it's 19 pounds 44. Okay, hello, Toph, welcome, my friend. Hello, hello. Okay, now I do 10 times this. Okay, so I'm going to put a placeholder. Okay, 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, 2 times 1 is going to be 2. And then 3 times 1 is going to be 3. Okay, so adding this together, what do we get, guys? Okay, so what do we get? Okay, so thanks so much, yeah, Jay Bliss for liking. Thank you, Jay Bliss, for liking. Hello, Mords, welcome, welcome. So 4 plus 0 is going to be 4. 4 plus 4 is going to be 8. Decimal point comes down. 9 plus 2 is going to be 11. So 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. That is going to be 5. Okay, so the final answer is £51 and 84 pence. Okay, and that is my answer for that question. Okay, so again, a super common question. Okay, yeah, looking at some calculations. Okay, for the non-calculator paper. Okay, for the foundation tier. Okay, are there any questions, guys? Let me know. Are there any questions? Okay, am I going too fast? Or can you still hear me? Let me know. Can you still hear me? Hello, Araj. Welcome, welcome. Guys, new around here, please press that follow button, okay? If you're new around here. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Salima, for the follow. Thanks so much, Salima, for the follow. Thank you, Boost Pratik, for liking. Okay, everyone in the chat, guys, yeah, if you're not already following me, press that follow button, please, if you can. Yeah, I'd really appreciate it. I'd really appreciate it. Okay. Hello, Aiden, welcome, welcome. Right, let's move on now, okay? So I believe last time when I did this live here, we obviously got this question, but we didn't actually finish the paper. Okay, so looking at some identity work here, okay? Question number 18. Aisha is trying to expand and simplify two sets of single brackets here. So 2 brackets x plus 5. Okay, so 2 brackets x plus 4, sorry, minus 3 lots of x plus 5 here is equivalent to this. Okay, what mistake has Aisha made? Okay, so let's double check here, okay? So, what mistake has she made? Okay, hello, I don't know, welcome, my friend, welcome, welcome, hello, hello, nice, I'm in the call again. Hello, hello, hope you're well. Okay, the mistake here is that, yep, spot on, yep. So minus 3 times positive 5 should be minus 15, okay, not positive 15, okay? So a negative times a positive, okay, should be a negative and not a positive. Okay, well done, yep, thank you, I don't know, actually, welcome back, my friend, welcome back. Okay, yeah. You actually just joined us here at the perfect time, actually, because last time, yeah, we obviously finished off here. Oh, mate, welcome, welcome. Hey, guys, let me know. Can you hear me, guys? Is it clear, guys? Let me know. Can you hear me? Is it clear, guys? Is the audio clear? Hey, thank you for the follow, by the way. Hello, Abby, welcome, welcome. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, next question, okay? We're looking at some two-way tables. So question 19. 50 students are asked if they walk to school. 2/5 of the students are boys. 12 of the girls say that they walk to school, and 75% of the boys do not walk to school. Complete the two-way table. Okay, so step one. So 2/5 of the total are boys. So working out 2/5 of 50, a fraction of an amount. Okay, again, we divide by the bottom and then times by the top. Okay, thank you, A, for sharing the live share. Thank you, A, for sharing the live. Okay. So what is 2/5 of 50, guys? There. Let me know in the chat. Thank you, A, for the share. Thanks so much, A, for the share. Thank you so much, yeah, for 4K likes. Okay, well done, Franz. Yep, that is correct. Yep, spot on, Franz. Yep. So divide by the bottom and then times by the top. So 50 divided by 5 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. So we know that in total, okay, we've got 20 boys. That means we're going to have a total of going to be 30 girls, okay, because 20 plus 30 makes 50, okay. Then it says that 12 of the girls, pardon me, sorry, say they walk to school. So 12 girls walk to school, okay. 75% of the boys do not walk to school, okay. So 75% of year as a fraction will be 3/4. So if I do 3/4 of 20, again, another fraction amount. So 3/4 of 20, we divide by the bottom and then times by the top. So 20 divided by 5, sorry, divided by 4 is 5, and 5 times 3 is going to be 13. Okay, sorry, 5 times, 3, it's 15 this year, sorry, 15. Okay, thank you, W1X here, for following us here. Thanks so much for following. Yeah, well done, friends. Yep, spot on. Okay, so 15 boys do not walk. Okay, that means 5 boys do walk because 5 plus 15 makes a 20. Okay, and then to work out the total number of people that walk, okay, 5 plus 12 will be 17. Okay, and then if I do 50, take away 17, okay, using column subtraction, I will get 33. And then finally, I'm going to do 33 minus 15. Okay, when I do that, I get 18. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Okay, thank you so much here for 4K likes. Thank you so much for 4K likes. Thank you for all the follows, guys. Thank you for all the follows. I appreciate it. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Okay, I'll give you a few seconds to screenshot that. Okay. Yes, it is foundation H. Yep, it is foundation. Yep, H. It is foundation. Okay. But we're now creeping towards the start of a higher tier paper. Okay, thank you so much, A, for sharing. Yeah, thanks so much, A, for sharing. Yo, bro, how do you change the percentage into fraction? So percentage, okay, means out of 100. Okay, so percentage means out of 100. Okay, so for example, 19% will be 19 out of 100. Okay, so a fraction, sorry, a percentage means out of 100. Okay, a percentage means out of 100. Okay, does that make sense? Hello, Aria, welcome, welcome. Does that make sense, Jay? So a percentage means out of 100. Okay. Right, guys, question 20, okay? So some fraction work here. Again, this is now appropriate for both higher and foundation, okay? Awesome, awesome, okay? So question 20A, okay, adding mixed numbers, okay? I'll give you a few minutes to have a go at this question, and then I will share my answer. Hello, Liv. Welcome, Liv. Hello. Guys, when you're around here, please hit that follow button, okay? So press that follow button, okay? I know we're quite away off this year, but I am quite ambitious, okay? My target is to try and hit 10k followers, okay? That is quite ambitious, I know, okay? But I would like to hit, yeah, ideally a 10k followers this year by the end of the exam season, okay? That is my target, okay? Hello, Anis. Welcome. Hello, Cam Claire. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. So, Jay, everyone in the chat, guys, if you're not already following me, press that follow button, okay? Press that follow button, please. Okay. Hello, my friend. Hello. Hope you're well. Thank you for all the gifts, guys. Yeah, thank you for all the gifts this live. Thank you so much, Jay, for the follow. Thank you so much, Jay, for the follow. Guys, everyone in the chat, okay? Make sure you press that follow button, okay? And help me reach, okay, 10,000 followers, okay? That is my target. Hello, Ace. Welcome. Hello, F. Welcome. Right, guys. Is it time to do the question now? Do we have an answer? Hello, Alana. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Hello, Bye. Hello, Shell. Welcome. Hello, Turbo Slug. Hello, Heidi. Welcome. Right, guys, can I go through it now? Or are we still working it out? Hello, welcome. Hello, Aslas. Welcome. Hello, Peter Ramage. Welcome, my friend. Okay, type in ready when you're ready, and we can talk about it. Do the question. Hello, Evie. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Thank you, Jay, for liking. Thank you so much, Jay, for liking. Guys, nearly 5k likes, guys. We are smashing it today. We are smashing it. Nearly 5k likes, yeah? Absolutely awesome, okay? I was quite ambitious here to obviously hit 50k likes, but you know what? If we even hit 10k likes today, then I'll be happy, okay? Hello, hey, welcome back. Hello. Right, guys, let's go through it. Okay, question number 20A. So work out 3 2/5 plus 2 1/12. Okay, so again, there's different ways to obviously work it out. Okay, so my way personally is I'm going to add the two whole numbers together. So 3 plus 2 is 5. And then add my fractions and then combine my answer. Okay, so 2/5 is 1/12. Okay, again, the smallest common factor that is common to both will be 60. Okay, so times top and bottom of this. Okay, so cross multiply here. Okay, so times top and bottom of this by 12. So we get 24 plus 1 times 5 here is going to be 5. And then over the product of the denominators, the 5 times 2 is going to be 60. Sorry, 5 times 12, sorry, it's going to be 60. Okay, that gives us a final answer of 29/60ths. Okay, so putting my answer together, you get 5 whole and 29/60th. Okay, okay. Let's go back here for a second again. Let's just go back here for a second before it logs me out. There we go. Okay, back to the paper now. Okay, so guys, did we get that? Actually, let me know. Did we get that? Let me know. Sorry about my handwriting today. I'm so sorry. I'll try and fix it for next time. Okay. It was my first live year, like post Easter break. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, so remember, when we're adding fractions, we want to have a common denominator. Okay, same as subtracting fractions. Okay, and again, this is a super common topic here. Okay, particularly at the start of higher tier papers and the end of foundation year. So please revise your fraction work. Okay, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing mixed numbers and also normal fractions. Okay, that's my answer for that. Okay. Okay, next part, okay, part B, okay, dividing fractions, okay, so work out 1 and 5/6, divided by 2/3, give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So step 1, convert it so it's an improper fraction or a top-heavy fraction. 1 whole is going to be 6/6 plus 5/6, that'll be 11/6, okay, so we're going to have 11/6 divided by 2/3, okay. Now it's that famous cliche, okay, statement. Okay, so use the KFC method. Okay, so keep the first fraction the same. You flip the second one, and then you change it to a times. Okay, or a multiplication. Okay, so multiplying fractions, we multiply the top by top and bottom by bottom. 11 times 3 will be 33, and 6 times 2 is going to be 12. So we get 33/12, okay, which is an improper fraction. Okay, so to make it a mixed number, we find out how many 12s go to 33. That'll be 2 whole. Okay, so 2 times 12 is going to be 24. Okay, and we're going to have 9/12. Okay, remaining. Okay, now I can simplify 9/12. Okay, dividing top and bottom of 9/12 by 3, we get 2 3/4. And that, guys, is my answer to that question. Okay, that's how we divide, okay, fractions. Okay, so it's the keep, flip, change. Okay, or keep, change, flip. Okay, KFC or KCF. Okay, keep the first fraction the same. You flip the second fraction and then change it to a multiply. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Are there any questions? Are there any questions? Or can I move on? Thank you, fans, for liking the thing. Thank you so much, your fans, for liking. Guys, if you're new around here, make sure you press that follow button, okay? Press that follow button, please. If you're new around here, okay? And help me reach 10K followers, okay? That is my target. It's a big target, I know, but that is my target, okay? Thank you, Shell, for the follow. Thanks so much, Shell, for the follow. Everyone in here, press that follow button, okay? Please, if you can. Right, looking at some inequalities now, okay? And some ratio, okay? So we've got what we call a compound inequality or a double inequality. Okay. So question 21. Solve -7. The first question is not correct. Well, which one? Sorry, which one's not correct? Sorry, which one? Which one, Davey? The first question. What do you mean? The first question is here. Circle the even number. So an even number ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Question 20. Let's have a look. Yes, fine. It's foundation, yes. No, it is right. It is right. Yeah, it is right. Which one's wrong? Sorry, study. Can you be a bit more clear? We'll come back to that question, okay? Because Daddy's not. It's right, but it is higher. So this says your foundation, but we are now in the higher tier category. Okay. Hello, Rambo, sorry. Hello, Rambo, sorry. Hello, welcome. Right. So to solve this double inequality, okay, we've got solve -2 is less than or equal to 2x minus 1, which is less than 5. Yes, I do it, Fahad. Yes, okay. I think I've got some videos here on my page, on here or on YouTube. Okay, so if you search functions, okay, otherwise I'll post a video here about it soon. Okay, so step one, okay, so show your answer on the number line. So step one, yeah, I'm gonna add 1 to all 3 sides. Yeah, well done, Fahad. Yep, spot on. So we're gonna have -7 plus 1 is gonna be -6. So -6 is less than or equal to 2x, which is less than 5 plus 1, which is going to be 6. So 2x means 2 times x. So to get x, we're going to divide all 3 sides by 2. -6 divided by 2 is going to be -3. And then 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3. Okay. We're going from -3 to 3. Okay. So I'm going to fill in the circle actually. So I'm going to fill in the circle here. Because it's got the equal sign. It'll be a hollow circle. And then with a ruler. Oops. Wasn't very good there. Okay. But you get the idea, guys. Okay. Why is my freehand so bad today? This is awful. Hello, welcome. Okay, that's a bit better. Okay, there we go. Okay, does that make sense, guys? That first part, okay, does that make sense? Are we happy with that? Any questions? Or can I move on? Okay, next part. Okay, so working out equivalent ratios. Okay, so a ratio that is equivalent to 3 to 4. Okay, so let's have a look here. So, okay, if I divide both sides by 3, I get 1 to 4 thirds. Okay. So 4/3 as a mixed number is 1 1/3. Okay. 1/3 is 1.3 reoccurring. Okay. So it'd be 1 to 1.3 reoccurring. Okay. So it's not that and it's not that. Okay. The other option is to divide both sides by 4. So we get 3/4 to 1. Now 3/4 as a decimal is 0.75. So my final answer would be 0.75 to 1. Okay. Because 1/4 is 0.25. So 3/4 is 3 lots of 0.25. Which gives us 0.75. Okay. Or alternatively, work out 3 divided by 4 using the bus stop method and it gives you 0.75. Okay. So that's my answer for that question. Okay. So again, a few seconds to screenshot that. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's move on. Okay. So looking, okay, so looking at some data here. So looking at some stats here. Okay. How many more questions here? Do you have any more questions? Sorry, I'm just double checking. 23, 24, 25, 26. We've got about 7 more questions, I think, or 6 more questions. Okay. Right. Question number 23. A website asks customers to rate a product from 1 star to 5 stars. The frequency table shows information about the ratings given by 20 customers. Part A. What was the median number of stars awarded? Okay. So step 1. To work out the median, okay, we want half of our customers. Okay, so we're going to work out a half of 20. So a half of 20, which is 10. Okay, so our median is the 10th value. So it's the 10th value in my frequency table. Okay, so we start at 8. We do 8 plus 5, which would be 13. Okay, that's greater than or equal to 10. So my median has to lie, okay, in this region here. Okay, so my median number of stars will be the number 2. Okay, so we work out half of the total frequency. Okay, and then we want, okay, the 10th value in my frequency. Okay, the first 8 have 1 star, so the 10th value has to lie in this next part. Okay, which is there. Okay, where did you get the half? Okay, so the half is because we want the middle value when we line up our data. Okay, so we want the middle value when we line up our data. Okay, so we want half of the total frequency. Okay, the user, welcome user. Louis, welcome. Okay, so we worked out half of our total number of data. Okay, so half of the total number of frequency. Okay, because we want bang on the middle value. Okay, does that make sense, friends? Does that make sense? Okay, awesome. Okay, hey, got my GCSE next week. Okay, good luck, my friend. Good luck, KM Karen. Okay, so make sure you give us follow, guys. Okay, I'll try and do as many lives as possible. Okay, as we approach the paper 1 exam. Okay, the focus now is paper 1 higher and foundation tier papers here. So obviously, looking at different examples. Okay, but focusing on the non-calculated topics. Okay, for now. Okay. Right, part B. Okay, Max thinks that the range of the number of stars is 8 minus 0. Explain why Max is wrong. Well, because this is the number of numbers, okay? So to work out the range, okay, we would do 5, take away 1, okay? Because there's 3 5s and there's 8 1s, okay? So range is the biggest value, take away the smallest value, okay? So it's meant to be 5, take away 1, which is 4, okay? We are not looking at the frequency column, we're looking at our first column here, okay? So look at the number of stars, okay, here, okay? We've got 8 1s, okay? So think about it as I've got 1, 1, okay? Yeah, I've got 8 1s, and then I've got 3 5s at the end, okay? So 5, 5, 5. And the range would be biggest, take away smallest, okay? Does that make sense, guys? Yeah, does that make sense? Okay. Yeah, I'm on higher, but I'm in set 3, so it's a fighting lose battle. Okay, I get 5. Yeah. Well, Kai, oh, sorry, I'm calling you Kai, I'm sorry, yeah. Okay, so give us the follow actually, yeah, and I'll try and do some, obviously, some more higher tier labs here in the near future. Okay, but my best advice here is just to rep out actually, past papers, okay, and watch videos here on obviously on COVID maths, okay, and just obviously hammer those past papers here. So hammer those past papers. All right, okay. Thanks so much, Cam, for the follow. Thanks so much for the follow. Thank you, Smiley. Thanks for the follow. Okay, thanks so much for the follow. Okay, Shell says thumbs up. Okay, so thumbs up. Okay, so I'll give you just 10 seconds here to actually screenshot that. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, moving on now. Okay, so looking at some collecting like terms now. Okay, so again, this is also appropriate for the higher tier as well. Okay, so simplify 3n squared plus 5n squared. So in total, I've got 8n squared. Okay, think of it as I've got £5 and I'm going to add £3. I've got £8 in total. Yeah, more than small effects. Yep, spot on. Okay, part B, a bit more trickier. Simplify 2n to the power of 5 all cubed. Well, I'm gonna have 2n to the power of 5 times 2n to the power of 5 times 2n to the power of 5. Okay, I can do surds, yeah, at some point, yes. Okay, I can do surds at some point, yes. Okay, so 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And then n to the power of 5 times n to the power of 5 times n to the power of 5. Because it has the same base and I'm multiplying, I can just add the powers. 5 plus 5 is going to be 15. Okay, so 8n to the power of 15. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Hello, peace, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, again, these questions here are quite common on non-calculator papers, okay? To revise your laws of indices, okay? Part C, simplify 5 squared times 4f to the power of 6 divided by 10f cubed. Again, do bit by bit, okay? So 5 times 4 is going to be 20, and then f squared times f to the power of 6. I'm going to add the powers to be f to the power of 8, okay? Divided by 10f cubed, okay? So 20 divided by 10 is going to be 2, and then f to the power of 8 divided by f to the power of 5, okay, that will be f to the power, sorry, yeah, f to the power of 5, okay, so the final answer will be 2f to the power of 5, okay, 8 subtract 3 is 5, okay, does that make sense, guys? Okay, again, this is a super, super common exam style question. Okay, looking at laws and rules of indices. Okay, so revise your laws and your rules of indices, okay, for GCSE maths, okay? Okay, awesome. Fran says yes. Awesome, awesome. Okay, awesome, my friend. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Good work. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so looking at some Venn diagrams now. Okay, so Venn diagrams is a bit more trickier. So we are told that 60 students are asked whether they like football or cricket. 15 say they like both. 29 say they like football, and 8 students like neither. So complete the Venn diagram. Okay. So first part, yeah. So 15 years say they like both. The 15 year goes in the middle. Okay. 29 like football. So the circle for football year has to add to make 29 years. So that means it has to be 14 because 14 plus 15 makes 29. Okay, 8 like neither. So 8 goes inside the box here, but outside my circle. Okay, and then finally, for the number of students that like cricket, well, we know that 14 plus 15 makes 29. 29 plus 8 makes 37. So if we do 60 minus 37, okay, that will tell us the remainder that like cricket, okay, only. So that I can't do, so I need to borrow. That becomes a 5. That becomes 1. 10 take 7 is going to be 3. And 5 take 3 is going to be 2. Okay, so 23 students. Okay, oops, sorry. So 20, yeah. Okay, so 23 students like cricket only. Okay, well done, friends. Yep, well done, friends. Yep, spot on. Okay, and that is my final answer for this Venn diagram question. Okay, and I got to say, yes, yeah, this is a very, very common exam style question that appears on both tiers. Okay, so please, yeah, revise here and obviously learn this topic here. So it's looking at Venn diagrams. Okay, now, okay, and this one is a bit more nasty. Okay, looking at some ratios. Sorry, pardon me. Okay, hello, maths tutorial. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Okay, question 26, guys. Yeah. The ratio of cars to vans in a car park is 2 to 3. Okay, so cars to vans. Okay, the ratio of vans, okay, to coaches in the same car park is 6 to 1. There are 15 more vans than coaches. How many cars are there in the car park? We got cars to vans. Okay, and we got vans to coaches. Okay, yeah. So what I'll do is I'll put it as COA for coaches. Okay, I'll write it as coach. Okay, so C for car, V for van. Okay. Well, thanks so much. Yeah, thank you for the gift, sir. Thanks so much for the gift. I appreciate that. Thanks so much for the gift. Thank you for the rose, sir. Thanks so much for the rose. I appreciate it. Very kind of you. Please see my comment when you can. Where is your comment, Ben? Yeah, how do I actually see your comment? Sorry, Ben. Can you comment it again, please, Ben? Hello, Eva May. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so there's 2 to 3, okay, and there's a 6 to 1, okay. Okay. Now we want to make it so we have like the same ratio. So I'm going to multiply this by 2, so I get 4 to 6. Then we got 6 to 1. Okay, so therefore the ratio of the number of cars to vans to coaches will be 4 to 6 to 1. Okay, one of your posts, I think you made a mistake, Kate. All right, okay, no worries. No worries, Ben. No worries, no worries. Thank you for letting me know, Ben. Yeah. Thank you for letting me know, Ben. I appreciate it. Okay, so what do we do now? Well, we are told that there are 15 more vans than coaches. So 15 more vans, okay, than coaches. Okay. So let's work out the difference. So 6 minus 1 is going to be 5. So 15 divided by 5 is going to be 3. Okay. So 3 vehicles equals 1 part. So remember, that's cars, that's vans, and that's coaches. Okay, CO for coach. Okay. So we're going to do 4 times 3, which will be 12. So there are 12 cars in the cup. Okay. Does that make sense? Okay. Does that make sense? Let me know in the chat. Does that make sense? Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, awesome. Just my face says yes. Lena, welcome, welcome, Lena. Hello, hello. Welcome. Okay, so let's move on now. Okay. Next part, okay, so solving some equations. Okay, again, another super hot topic here for GCSE maths. Okay, iron foundation. Part A. So, yeah, solve 2 brackets k plus 5 is equal to 24. Okay, can take SL. Yes, sorry, yes, sorry, Franz. Yeah, sorry about that. Yes, you can. Sorry, yeah. Okay, yeah, spot on. Yeah, no worries, Franz. No worries. Okay, thank you, your fellow Ginger, for liking. Thank you for liking. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so solving an equation involving brackets. Okay, so there are 2 ways to do this. Okay, so my way is to expand it. So 2 times k will be 2k, and then 2 times 5 will be positive 10. That's equal to 24. Okay, subtract 10 on both sides and then divide it by 2. Okay, so subtract 10 on both sides and then divide it by 2. You get that 2k equals 14. So k, guys, must be 7. Okay, so k is equal to 7. Oh, then, oh no, careful, Franz, careful. Careful, okay. So 14 divided by 2, it's going to be 7. Yeah, no worries, no worries. Awesome, awesome, okay. That's easy, okay, cool, cool. Right, let's move on. Part B, okay, slightly more trickier. Okay, solving an equation with unknowns both sides. Step 1, I'm going to add 4x to both sides. Okay, because I want to get all my x's onto one side. Okay, so we're going to have 18 equals 6x minus 3. We're going to add 3 to both sides. Okay, and then divide by 6. Okay, we get 21 is equal to 6x. Dividing both sides by 6. Okay, we get that x is 21/6. Or if you simplify that, you get 7/2. Okay, either answer would suffice. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Are there any questions or can I move on? Awesome, awesome. Okay, so 5 seconds to screenshot. Yes, yes, Frank, you can, yes. Okay, so 3.5, yeah, would also work. Yep. Okay, So 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's move on. Okay, the last few questions now. Okay, we're looking at some trig. Okay, in this top question. Okay, so part A is knowing your exact trig values. Okay, so part A. So write down the value of cos 60. So cos 60 is the same as sine 30, which is equal to 1/2. Okay, or 0.5. Okay, so cos 60 is equal to 1/2. Okay, that's one of your exact trig values that you have to remember for your non-calculator paper. Okay, so revise your exact trig values. Okay, there are some fantastic videos on the TikTok here and on YouTube, okay, for how to remember exact trig values. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Okay, okay. Part B. Uh, so this is actually non-calculated. Yeah, so yeah, it's non-calculated foundation, but this topic can appear on the higher as well. Okay, but yeah, non-calculated trig appears on both tiers. Okay, both tiers. Part B. Work out the value of x. Okay, so using trig. Okay, so step 1, label your sides. Okay, so that will be opposite because opposite the angle. Yeah, yes, Franz. Yep, spot on, Franz. Yes, spot on, Franz. That's going to be adjacent, so it's next to my angle, and that's my hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. Okay, it's the longest side. Okay, we now write down SOHCAHTOA. Okay, so our famous acronym here. So SOHCAHTOA. Okay, okay. So SOHCAHTOA. Okay, we then have our trig ratio. Okay, triangles. Okay, so sine is opposite over the hypotenuse. Cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and then tangent or tan angle is opposite over the adjacent. Okay, so what are we given? Well, we're given angle here, so we're given theta. So we're going to work out the adjacent. We're given the hypotenuse here, so we're going to be using the cosine. Okay, we're going to be using cos. So we know that cos 60, okay, is equal to, okay, the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So it's equal to x over 18. Okay, are we happy with that step there, guys? Okay, does that make sense? Are we happy with that? So cos of my angle is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Okay, awesome, Franz. Awesome, awesome. Thank you, Smiley, for liking. Thanks so much, Smile, for liking. Okay, we know that cos 60 is equal to a half from part A. So we got a half equals x 18ths. Okay, so if we multiply both sides of my equation by 18, we get a half times 18. Okay, so a half of 18 is equal to 9. Okay, so a half of 18 is equal to 9. Okay, so x is equal to 9. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Hello, good, you're welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Joe Murphy. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so remember, SOHCAHTOA. Okay, so sine is opposite over the hypotenuse. Okay, cosine is the opposite over the adjacent. Okay, and tangent, okay, is the opposite over the adjacent. Okay, so always refer to these trig ratio. Okay, triangles. Okay, okay. Right, next one here. Next part C. Circle the value of tan y. Well, tan is the opposite over the adjacent. So it'd be opposite, which is 5, over the adjacent, which is going to be 13. No, sorry, not 13, sorry, over 12, sorry. That is my hypotenuse, sorry. That is my hypotenuse, sorry. Okay, so it's opposite over the adjacent. So it would be 5/12. So tan y is equal to 5/12. Okay, and that's my answer for part C. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Okay, awesome, 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 friends. Awesome, smiley face. Okay, so I'll give you just a few seconds to screenshot that. Okay, so the topics here are part A is exact trig values, part B is trig, so using SOHCAHTOA, and then part C here is also using a SOHCAHTOA. Okay, now please note here, part C has not asked for the angle, it just says what is tan y equal to. Okay, obviously 5/12. Okay, yeah. So y would obviously be an acute angle here, but because obviously it's a non-calculated paper, okay, you are not required to work out what the angle is, okay? So don't panic about that part there, okay? Okay, so note that part C just says what is the value of tan y equal to, okay? It's not asked for the angle, okay? That's the key part, okay? Let's move on, okay? So last question, I think, yeah, is the last one, yeah, so last one for today. Okay, a nice, juicy, meaty 5-mark question. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so a machine digs 3 centimeters of tunnel every minute. Okay, Jack thinks the machine will dig more than a kilometer of tunnel if it runs continuously for 2.5 days. Is Jack correct? Show working to justify your answer. Okay, so it digs 3 centimeters. Okay, every minute. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so in 2 minutes it digs 6 centimeters. Okay, in 3 minutes, yeah, it digs 9 centimeters. Okay, so on and so forth. Okay, so Jack says that in 2.5 days, okay, it will dig more than a kilometer. Okay, so a kilometer, remember, yeah, so 1 kilometer, okay, is 1,000 meters. Okay, which in centimeters will actually be, so times it by 100 now, so add on 2 zeros. Okay, so 1 kilometer is equal to 100,000 centimeters. Okay, so that's the key part to remember. Okay, so we want our answer, okay, or to prove, okay, is our answer going to be greater than 100,000 centimeters? Okay, that's the key to remember. Okay, so 2.5 days. Okay, so let's actually change that um into hours and then days first. Sorry, and then minutes. Yeah. Okay. So 2 days. Okay. So 1 day is 24 hours. So 2 days, so that'd be 48 hours plus half a day, which would be 12 hours. Okay, because half 24 is going to be 12. Okay. So it's going to be 60 hours in total. Okay. And then hours into minutes, we're going to multiply that by 60. So we're going to have 60 times 60. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you, Izzy, for the follow. Thanks so much, Izzy, for the follow. Okay. So 60 times 60 will be 3,600 minutes. Okay. Now we want to compare, okay, are these ratios the same? Okay. So we want to compare 3 centimeters, remember, equals 1 minute. Now, Jack's claim, okay, if this is true, is that in 2.5 days, which is 3,000 years, 600 minutes, okay, it digs over a kilometer into the tunnel, okay? So 100,000, okay, is equal to 3,600 minutes. Okay. So let's check and compare our two ratios, okay? That's the key part, okay? So to go from here to here, I've times it by 3, so 3.6k, okay? So I'm going to times 3 by 3,600, okay? And if my answer is smaller, then Jack is right, okay? M4 to M4, welcome, welcome, hello, hello. I hope you're well. Hello, hello, okay? So 3 times 0 is going to be 0. 0 times 3 is going to be 0. 6 times 3 is going to be 18. So 8, carry the 1, okay? And then 3 times 3 is going to be 9, plus 1 is going to be 10, okay? So according to the first ratio, okay, thank you, friends. Yeah, thank you for liking. Thank you, Emmy, for liking, or Emily for liking. Okay, and thank you, users. Yeah, thank you, user, for liking it. So, according to our first ratio, okay, it says the machine will dig more than a kilometer. Well, let's just check here. Okay, so is this number bigger than this? Well, it's not. No. Okay, so 10,800 here is smaller than 800,000. Okay, therefore Jack is wrong. Okay, so therefore Jack is wrong. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you, Max, here for liking. Yeah, thank you, Max, for liking. Thank you, Emily, for liking. Okay, is wrong. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Yeah, does that make sense? Are we happy with that? Okay, thank you, Max, for the follow. Thanks so much for the follow. Emily, yeah. So this is actually a financial. It's a financial tier paper, but this part is appropriate, yeah, for higher tier as well. Okay. So the last 10 questions, I think, overlap with a higher tier paper, okay? Roughly, okay? So does that make sense, guys? Are there any questions, okay? That was quite like a tricky here. Tricky, yeah, like last question there, okay? Hope it makes sense. Okay. We will finish there for today, yeah, so we'll finish there for today, okay? So are there any questions, guys, here, or are there any topic requests, okay? Thank you, Emily, for the follow. Thanks so much, yeah, Emily, for the follow. Thanks so much for the follow. Okay, so we've got surge, yep. So we'll obviously cover surge, yep, at some point. Okay, are there any other topics? Thank you, Emily, for liking. Thank you so much for liking. Okay, can I do simultaneous equations? Yes, I can do. Yes, yep, I can do. Emily, yep, sure, yep. Okay, no worries, it's shit on it, okay? Right, guys, before we go, yeah, can we try and get to 10K likes here before I go, guys? Yeah, okay. Can we just tap, guys, yeah, get me to 10K, guys, yeah, and then I'll call it a day. Thank you for liking. Thank you for liking, guys. Thank you so much for liking. Yes, guys, 8K likes. Okay, we're smashing it. Thank you so much, Emily, for liking. Thank you, Smiles, for liking. Thank you, Emily, for liking. Thank you, Smiles, for liking, guys. Make sure you press that follow button, guys. Yeah, if you're new around here, please, you can, yeah, press that follow button, guys. Okay, and help me reach 10K followers. Okay, that's my target. Thank you so much, yeah. Thank you, Max, for liking. Come on, we're so close here to 10K likes. We're so close, okay. But we will call it a day, guys. Okay, but thank you so much, yeah, for liking. Okay, I'll end it, yeah, when we hit 10K likes. Thank you for liking, guys. Thank you so much for liking. I appreciate it. Thanks so much. Thank you for all the gifts, guys. Yeah, thank you for all the gifts. There we go. 9K bang. Only 0.9K to go. When I'm next going to be live, actually, I'll let you know. Actually, I'll let you know, Emily. I'll let you know. Okay, I'll try and do some announcements on my TikTok page and on YouTube. Okay, or when I'm going to live share. But the plan hopefully will be like weekend lives here. Okay, that is my target, and then obviously like some like weekday lives here, depending on my energy levels. Okay, thank you, Max Black. Yeah, right, we smashed it, guys. We smashed it. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, let's have a look, and we've hit it. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, thank you for liking and thank you for all the gifts, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, I will see you all very soon. Okay, for now, peace out. Okay, and enjoy your weekend. Okay, thank you for 10.1K likes. Yeah, thanks so much for 10.1K likes. I will see you all very soon. Okay, bye for now. Take care. All the best.